Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe you can make for dinner for your friends and family. Here are all the spices I will be using for seasoning the meat. I'm also using yellow, green and red bell peppers. After seasoning the meat, place them on the stick together with the red and yellow and green bell pepper with some of your onions. Put them on the barbecue. Then turn the meat every couple minutes so that it won't burn. Now that the meat is ready to be eaten. I made some oven potato and grilled vegetable. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. See you all in the next video and thanks for watching. Bye.